You've made it this far and you are committed to maximizing your momentum. In this video, we are going to show you what happens after you choose to start building your MDM. So here is the kitchen, which is our online community. Our Imagined Growth space is where our team will encourage you to complete several different experiences with the kitchen just to make sure that this truly is the place you are going to invest your time, your resources, your attention over the next 7 years. Yes, 7 years. We believe every client journey will last 7 years. In your 7th year, you take your 7-figure sabbatical and you enjoy the benefits of your labor. But until then, we are implementing your system. Our implementation program for the membership includes monthly announcements where we are sharing updates directly from me and my team on a monthly basis. We're sharing everything that we are learning with you. Here we have the Accelerator course, which in a moment we'll dive into the actual template that you will be building out. But we want to emphasize that this program does have a comprehensive course to support the build out of your $1 million machine. There are 6 modules, one that starts with priorities, getting clear on what's important, then delivering the transformation with project management, collaborating through connection and relationship management, working on your marketing assets, developing communication materials so that you can get the word out there through your promotion database, operationalizing your organization with playbooks, developing training programs, leadership development programs, and lastly, maximizing momentum, how we keep it together every day, week, month, quarter, and of course, on a yearly basis. There will also be additional Notion lessons as they come up. And this isn't just a course that you do on your own. We have weekly power hours, sometimes 2 power hours per week based off of demand. The Monday AMA Power Hour is where you come and get live support from our team. As you're going through the course itself, you also can ask questions directly inside of the lessons. Lessons are short and sweet. If you see here, all of the lessons are below 10 minutes. They're intended to be fast and executed faster. In addition to our Power Hour workshops, we have a cookbook, which is a library of additional resources that we create based off of questions and feedback that our community is asking of us. Our support and accountability discussion board is where you can ask questions and share Loom videos with our team on any challenges that you are running into as you are implementing. And the last one is the experiments and idea space, where we will share a weekly experiment that we are actually implementing in our business. Hopefully you can benefit from those experiments as well. So to switch it over into Notion, this is the actual course template. We do have a much longer comprehensive walkthrough video. If you want to see, just mention it to our team. We will share that for you as well. But this has the materials that correspond to the 6 modules that we outlined before. Each of these modules has lessons where the specific lesson is actually setting up the template itself. We have priorities, which are the areas of focus for your business over the next 90 days. Each priority, if we open it up, has a project. Each project has an owner, and each project also has activities with due dates. Everything is very date specific and date driven. This is what allows you to stay focused on a day-to-day basis using your daily dashboard, which is one of the most fundamental tools that we teach through the MDM Implementation Accelerator. Your daily dashboard has your priorities, your projects, your activities, and people that you must follow up with. Of course, this is a template, so you're not seeing live data and information. But if you go on my YouTube channel, you see me speaking about my daily dashboard and how I use that daily dashboard to keep me in the zone on a day-to-day basis. No matter how many things are on fire, I know that the daily dashboard is my safe place. As mentioned, with your priorities, you have projects. Every project has an owner. If you open up any project, there should be activities that are scoped out, and that's what we work with you to help you map out your execution plans. Every project isn't just a dream, it actually has activities beneath it with dates. We then have people, which includes all contacts and relationships that you are collecting over time. This is your new or your lead qualification process, where new people enter your database, then they're in your pipeline, then there's a follow-up process where you're always clear on what is the next step and when you're going to check in with them. And then your active relationships. Again, this is a test database, so not too much information is in here. Then we move on to promotions. As we exhaust our ecosystem and we want to make more connections, we are creating marketing assets and sharing them with the world across different platforms like Instagram, like LinkedIn, like our newsletter, like Circle, like any other aspect of your promotional platform, your communication machine, if you may. We use the promotions database to track and manage all of the assets that are being created and shipped. We teach you how to repurpose. We teach you how to use Notion AI, how to use Cast Magic, how we can shoot videos with Tela, which is what this video is being shot on. And then how do we manage the whole content creation process with your Notion databases. We teach you templates. We teach you pretty much anything and everything as it relates to speeding up your content development process. Playbooks are the magic where it happens. All of your playbooks are your standard operating procedures that have step-by-step documented. Many of these are empty, they're placeholders because every company that we work with is so vastly different. We do work with you in our weekly power hours to get the information in here so that you can develop training programs, so that you can connect each playbook to a role on your org chart, and so that everyone can be very clear on who's responsible for what. The last area is planning, and planning is where we look at the year to date, the entire year, and we are able to plan things out. Here we see 2026, we see the quarters, the months, the weeks in that month, and whenever we open up any of these periods, we have specific templates that we set up for week, for the month, and the quarter. This is the template that you duplicate, so we don't have that right now, but inside of the course, we do teach you how to customize the week, the month, and the quarter. And the last area here is Docs, your Docs database. This is where any sort of strategy documents are located inside of your Notion workspace. This was a very high-level, speedy walkthrough of what it is that we do build in the first 90 days of working with you. After those 90 days, we do shift into more of an improve your potential. We do focus on going deeper into the same fundamental concepts and applying automation, applying delegation, getting your team to work more efficiently, actually bringing your team into this way of working. There is one person in your organization that we call the lead practitioner. That lead practitioner becomes the champion of everything that we do at MDM and helps distribute and disseminate that information internally into your business. If you're watching, maybe you are the founder, maybe you're the CEO, that will not be you. You are the pioneer. You are creating new possibilities for your business, for the world, for the market, for the ecosystem to use your solutions. And so you do not have the time or the space or the patience to be building out a lot of this stuff. But there is someone in your organization, the practitioner, and that practitioner will help implement everything that we do inside of the kitchen. This last area here is improve your potential. It is going to include courses and training programs that are software specific or topic specific. A few that we have at the time of this recording is a course on how to use Senja, which is a testimonial tool, how to build your own affiliate program, how to implement a lot of what we covered with our business system into your own personal life. So how can the team members, your organization, implement something like this so that they can feel the same level of peace, performance, and profit in their own personal lives? And so these are the three courses that we have. We do have a rich roadmap ahead of us for developing more courses and experiences so that people can experience the magic of business systems. And all that is TBD. For now, what's most important is that you smash that button below, that you apply, that you are open, honest, and transparent about where you are and where you want to get to, and our team will help you figure out what are the next best steps. We're so excited to meet you, and we cannot wait to start our journey together. Until then, keep moving.